Stop. Come on. No, no, no.
All right, old friend, we meet again. Is there no choke? What is going on, man?
Clear out.
Okay. Oh, now it's idling. Woo! Oh.
What is this stuff?
Oh, that's
the choke.
Okay. Yeah.
No, no, you guys. But, I'm supposed to have stopped working on these fucking things. What's in there? Is there shit in there? What kind of that there?
This side looks really clean, then this side looks disgusting, but it's like black water in there, it looks like.
I mean, it probably needs a rebuilt carburetor.
Yeah, it needs a new carburetor.
Supposed to buy a Holly carb. I really would like to go to EFI, but there's no way my budget's going to allow for that. Probably just going to order a carb today for like 320 bucks or so. Just probably a remanufactured Holly unit. I might actually get it from Holly this time. Yeah, that's a good idea. So that's probably the direction we're gonna go.
2 weeks later.
I'm getting right into it. Alright, there's directions. There should have been a piece of paper like slipped into the top. Oh, it's this guy. Okay. So that's got all of our everything in it. Okay. Did you check the time?
The time's currently 6:13 p.m.
PM? AM?
AM.
Too early.
In Cadjo, man.
Cold is about 60 degrees.
Cold as hell and fucking nice and
I've woken
ready
up.
for fucking water skiing, dude. I'll tell you that. Look at that.
Okay, sure. It says to keep this in the glove box, but
I
I'm
don't
not.
give a shit about that.
I'm not buying it.
All right, let's go.
Yeah, you know that's the least of our legal problems if we get pulled over.
Absolutely.
The plastic orange.
Well, that's good.
It's a lot lighter than the old one. I don't know if you remember.
Metals would be cool too.
Cool. Wow.
It's called the Street Warrior. Hey, do you know which is gonna be your keyed ignition power source? So you need it to be powered when the key is on, not powered when the key is off.
What?
This.
What's that going with?
This goes to the choke.
Oh,
Yeah, so that's what we need.
well, they must have.
Somewhere there's something. Yeah, because it's got a spacer on it. not long enough.
It's not long enough.
That one extra bolt that we had, is there, I know it's for the thing up there, but is there any chance that we can get it in down there? Ooh, I think I might know where it is. Maybe. Just I found it, I think. Yeah, I did. Aha! Oh, I'm smart. Smarter than I know. It's right there. Which one? The big one? Busted that one. You have to take the whole axle off. No.
Oh, I'll be happy to see this thing out.
I think do it more than dug down aggressively, crisscross, reconnect the throttle and transmission kickdown linkage. Be sure to check for any combining conditions and correct before proceeding.
How do you?
I like this battery too. Got two different connections.
Also, I had a fucking mouse in my boot car.
Oh yeah?
I fucking opened up.
I've got mice in my
I opened
BMW.
up, and there he is, sitting there staring at me.
Yeah. Can you hold that?
He ran back inside my fucking dash.
Flip it, flip it.
I've got one that lives in my M3.
Really?
Yeah.
Two hours later.
All right, ready? Yep, that's what it was. Something on the distributor. I know, it's because we put something on the distributor. I had a feeling that... I keep saying distributor, coil.
I know.
Yeah, it's because I fucked with it.
What did you just set it on for?
Spencer said to.
I'm just putting more gas in.
Put it, start it up and let's clean out and let it come off the choke.
Okay. Don't give it too much gas.
Yeah, I know. Between the two of you, I'm just gonna do what I want now.
That's probably a good one.
Yeah. All right, she runs. What? It's running. She runs.
There's choke leak right there.
Got a what leak?
Well, where the muffler attaches to the exhaust
Manifold. Yeah.
It always did. It always will.
Well, they crack, right?
You can drill them out.
Oh yeah.
You get a closer look at them, you can drill them out. They always break off.
They crack, yeah. Well, when you're stressful to them, I hear they crack quite often. Hey, yeah, stuff's going. Stop. Come on, no. Hey, put this on. Put this guy on. Let it warm up a little bit. What? Oh, well, it's because it's not hooked up. I put as much gas as I can get out of it. It's not, the choke isn't hooked up, right? What's from? We need to turn it off and we need to find a deactivated hookup for the choke.
seal the needle.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be off that probably.
Alright, you wanna turn it up? Oh, wait.
No, let it run for a few minutes. Let it run for 5 minutes.
Oh, that means we're gonna turn the idle down? That's how it should be running right now.
I know, I think we just need to get the choke hooked up. You're saying it's the choke, it's not. No, it's gonna die. It's gonna die. But you just adjust. That screw. Is there one? Something.
Screwdriver?
Yeah. There you go, that's it.
Half a turn.
I think about that
How's
guy's
that
back.
sound?
Yeah. Stop order. Stop. Sounds good. Needs to get warmed up.
It is choked off. Warming up would turn the choke off, but I turned
We still need to mess with that wire?
I think you do.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us, guys. Be sure to come back next week to catch us cleaning and tuning this beast. We could really appreciate some experienced advice on this.
He just gave her some gas.